Hey y'all, my name's Haley, and today I'll be walking you through how to use your TigerOne Mobile ID. The TigerOne Mobile ID is used across campus, across all buildings, including dining halls, residence halls, and academic buildings. But before you scan into buildings across campus, make sure that your mobile ID is fully set up and accessible on your phone. If your mobile device is not compatible with the mobile ID, you can request a physical card. At the entrance of rooms and buildings, look for these black scanners. Housing buildings will be accessible by scanners, but individual rooms will be accessible by a key. When scanning in, you're going to hold your phone like you're doing a tap to pay. Every phone's different. You may have to unlock your phone or try different angles before it'll scan. You'll know it's scanned when you hear this beep. When scanning into a new building or room for the first time, it might decline, and that's okay. It's normal. Give it about 30 seconds before you try scanning again. This allows time for the system to send a signal that you are allowed access to this space. Then try again. And boom, you're in. That's it. See you around campus, Tigers.